Hello there, and welcome back. This is Jo of Jo's Crafty Hook, and we are continuing to work on our crop top. As you can see here, I have my neckline all finished. As for the trim, we will be adding that later, but I do have the neckline finished and sewed up, and I have the other sleeve. I have one sleeve already sewed at the seam, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. We are going to slip stitch the seam closed on our other side of our crop top. So we'll be going in the stitches that we have, our foundation double crochet stitches on both sides, but you want to make sure you have your sleeve turned the right way when we slip stitch them closed. So as you can see the ribbing here on our ribbed crop top. These are the half double crochet in the third row stitches. That's what these are here to make our ribbing. And again, we have the other sleeve finished. So what you're going to do is you are going to turn your sleeve where both right sides are meeting the right side. And to tell the right side, you tell by the ribbing that you have here. So what we're going to do is we are going to fold our sleeves over. And as you can see, they do line up right here where we will sew our side seams closed as well. And I will be doing a video on that. We will be sewing these sides closed. But right now we are going to concentrate on the slip stitches into the sleeves. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started here. And what you want to do, again, you want to be going through the wrong side of your sleeves. So we have the ribbing facing each other, and we are going to slip stitch in the first part of our sleeve at the wrist. Okay, and we will be adding trim on the wrists as well. So we are starting here, going through both loops of our foundation half double crochet row at the wrist, and going through the both stitches or both loops on the half double crochet row on the bottom. I always like to start mine outside. So here we go. Here we are going to pull our slip knot through both edges, and then we are just going to slip stitch in that first stitch. And that's all we're really going to do as we go along this row, is we are going to go through both loops. As you can see, I went through both loops on both sides of our top, and you're just going to pull it through all of the loops and make a slip stitch. And that's all you need to do all the way down the wrong side of your top. And then once you're done slip stitching this closed, we're not going to fasten off. We're going to leave our yarn attached, and we are going to place single crochets evenly down the sides, down the bottom, and up the other side of our top. So when we go to close the sides, we will have nice even stitches to do that too. because you know sometimes when you go on the side posts of a sleeve or the sides, they don't line up very well. So we will be putting single crochet into those side seams of our top. So I am just going to continue to slip stitch this closed, and I will meet you back here when I am finished, and I will show you how we are going to add the single crochet row to the sides and bottom of our crop top.